Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Figma. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Select the Frame tool and choose a desktop preset like Desktop or MacBook Pro to define your canvas. You can also set custom dimensions, perhaps 1440 pixels wide. Use pages to separate different sections of your website, such as the home page and about page, keeping your project well-structured from the start. Now let's focus on layout. Implement a grid system, perhaps a 12-column grid with 20-pixel gutters, to ensure visual alignment and consistency across your design. Develop reusable components for elements like buttons, input fields, and navigation menus. This saves time and maintains uniformity. Start designing your header, then move to the hero section, and finally, structure your main content blocks. Next, enrich your design with content and style. Add text using various font styles and sizes, ensuring readability. Place images and vector graphics to make your site visually engaging. Experiment with colors, shadows, and other effects to create a polished look. Then, switch to prototype mode to connect your frames, simulating how users will navigate through your website by clicking on buttons or links. Finally, it's time to refine and prepare for development. Thoroughly test your prototype to identify any navigation issues or design flaws. Ensure all interactive elements work as intended. Once satisfied, export your design assets, such as images, icons, and even CSS snippets, for your development team. This streamlines the handoff process. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.